What is Norwegian to you? This brings up a very interesting question that I would love for you to tell me in the comments because right here, my guy says, by my book, they are all barely, barely, barely Norwegian with a laughing face emoji. You're entitled to your opinion. Everyone's entitled to your opinion. And I would like to know, I'm asking, what is Norwegian then to you? Like, if you were born in Norway, are you Norwegian? Or if you have Norwegian citizenship, are you Norwegian? Or does one of your parents have to be Norwegian for you to be Norwegian? Or does like both of your parents have to be Norwegian for you to be Norwegian? I mean, I don't know. I'm American. If you're born in America, you're American. If you get American citizenship, you're American. I will look at you as American. If you're Norwegian right now, if you're from Europe or you're from anywhere and you come to America and you become an American citizen, I consider you American. But this is in reference to Nico and Vince. Like I said, Nico has one parent that's Norwegian and one parent that's from Africa. And Vince has both parents from Africa, but he was born in Norway. So, I mean, how are they not Norwegian? That's my question as an American foreigner living in Norway. I want to know, how are they not Norwegian? Like, how could you tell a child that's born in Norway, raised in Norway, their whole life in Norway, everything Norwegian, probably eat caviar and everything because it's so Norwegian. Whoa. But how could you tell them that they're not Norwegian? They'd be like, well, what am I? You know what I mean? Please educate me because I want to know. Like, I'm American. If I become a Norwegian citizen, right, would I not then have become Norwegian? I mean, I don't know. Okay, or let's say, for example, I become a Norwegian citizen and then I have children in Norway. They could be either with an American mom or a European mom, Norwegian mom, Europe, wherever, any mom from anywhere. But I have already attained my Norwegian citizenship. So therefore, because I'm a Norwegian citizen, my children will be Norwegian citizens. So I just need to know, like, would you consider my children Norwegian? Or would it be like, they have to grow up and have kids with a Norwegian and then my grandkids would be Norwegian? I mean, I don't know. Tell me, please. As I've left America and I've been traveling, I'm here to learn, baby. So I don't know everything. I just know some things and I need to learn other things. So please educate me in the comments and let me know what it is and why.